Okay, go back. Slowly. Did you see his body went down? Mm-hmm. Okay, do it again. Ah, no, 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 no. Go back. No, 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 go back. Okay, no, 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 relax. Okay, go. Yeah, feel that? Mm-hmm. Yeah. So you can only do this. So your body has to be, there are many, many things you must do. One of the things is that you have to train your body to be an accordion. And the reason is because it's one of the required movements, but the body was not, the body did not come with that ability. So the body comes with a lot of abilities. Some of them are totally useful, others are not. And this one was not present. So we have to train to have this accordion type. The two ends, no movement. The middle will create the movement. Go. Better. Now, always mind this here. In. Yeah. Ah, okay. Next move. Now see he moved his hands, right? Yep. Go back here. Okay, don't move, okay? I'll make the move for you. Mm-hmm. It's here. Step. Okay. Now, go back. When you stepped, you landed. Watch me. When you stepped, you landed.
Okay.
When you step, you only step like this, and then move here to land.
Okay.
Okay, go. Step. No, 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 no. Step goes with this. Okay. And move to the middle. Stop. Don't move. Don't move. Only move. See here? Wherever you are here. Here, mm-hmm. The top, no movement. Just to go to the middle. Find yourself. And then do this. Okay, go. Okay, go. Yeah. You guys cannot see you're on that side. You did not do any moves. You only shook your shoulder. It's not like that. See, okay. Watch me. You went like this. This move is only here and here. You didn't do that. You went like this.
Okay.
You were here.
Yeah.
But watch. It's here. Mm-hmm. Here. Go. Ah, better. Yeah. Okay. Stop. 45 degrees. Good. Stop. That's it.